Feeling tired too soon is a common problem. It affects your productivity and enthusiasm for daily activities. To start improving your stamina, consider integrating these easy yet effective steps into your routine. Each method will help you build energy reserves and enhance endurance over time. First and foremost, take care of your hydration. Dehydration can quickly sap your energy and make it difficult to push through the day. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water daily. Not only does water keep you hydrated, but it also helps with the proper functioning of your muscles and joints, which is essential for maintaining stamina. Secondly, adjust your diet to include energy-boosting foods. Greens like spinach and kale, complex carbohydrates like oats and quinoa, and lean proteins such as fish and chicken are vital. These not only provide you with essential nutrients but also ensure a steady release of energy throughout the day, preventing sudden energy crashes. Thirdly, incorporate regular exercise into your schedule. Start with moderate activities such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Gradually increase the intensity and duration as your stamina builds. Physical activity improves cardiovascular health, enhances muscle strength, and significantly boosts your energy levels, making it easier to tackle daily tasks without feeling worn out. Fourth, ensure you're getting adequate sleep. Poor sleep can leave you feeling drained and less focused. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid caffeine before sleep, and create a sleep-friendly environment to improve your overall sleep quality. Lastly, consider incorporating mindfulness practices such as yoga or meditation into your daily life. These activities improve your mental focus, reduce stress, and help regulate your breathing. Controlled breathing enhances oxygen flow to your muscles, which can improve your endurance and keep fatigue at bay. By embracing these simple steps, you will begin to see a noticeable improvement in your stamina. Consistency is key, and over time, these practices can lead to a more energized and fulfilling lifestyle. Say goodbye to tiredness and hello to a more vibrant you.